kitchen. My name is Adam, she is Yoko, and he is Oli. Today I bring you a recipe that is so simple, so quick and delicious, and it's a sweet recipe. Today we are going to make rosquillas de anís. I have tried to find a different word in English to say rosquilla, but I just found donuts. And here in Spain we differentiate between these two. These are donuts and these are rosquillas. The main difference between both is the donuts are so soft and the rosquillas, the dough is more consistent. So if you want to know how to prepare these delicious rosquillas de anís, stay with us and let's get started with the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 3 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 eggs, 1 packet of instant yeast, about 15 grams, 100 milliliters of anís, 30 grams of lard, 430 grams of pastry flour. First, we are going to melt the lard in the microwave. In our mixer, we are going to mix the eggs with the sugar and we are going to beat it very well until it doubles the size. Add the melted lard and the anís and mix a little. Take out the bowl and add the flour, the yeast and the pinch of salt. I'm going to mix it with a wooden spoon. The dough should be a little sticky, but if you see that it's too much and it sticks a lot to your fingers, you can add a little more flour. Knead a little outside the bowl. The dough it's a bit sticky, but you can make a ball without problems. We are going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Now we are going to make our rosquillas. If you want, you can weight it so that they are all the same size, but I think this is not very important. Form balls with our hands and make a hole in the middle. We put the 2 index fingers in the hole and enlarge it a little. When we have all our rosquillas formed, we put a pot with plenty of oil. When it's about 170 degrees, we can start to fry our rosquillas. These rosquillas are very small, so it's not necessary to fry them for a long time. When you see that they are golden, it's enough. I fry them for about 1 minute and a half on each side. Pass them to a plate with absorbent paper. Now I'm going to make the frosting. You can leave them like this or you can decorate it only with icing sugar or whatever you like. If the children are going to eat them, you can make the icing with milk or water. Put the icing sugar in a bowl and add a splash of anise and mix very well. If you see that it's still a bit dense, add another splash, but just a little. Now it's perfect. Dip the rosquillas in the glaze and let them cool on a rack. Once they are cool, you can keep them in an airtight container for up to 1 week. I hope you enjoy so much this recipe. I recommend you to eat these rosquillas when they are cold. Este es mío. We will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye.